Hi everyone and good day to you all. This is Protein Ravi here and I would like to welcome you back to Building Execution Technology. Today we are going to learn an Autocad function or command, which is undo and oops command. Today I shall show you the difference between them and how to use them, and when and how to use both the commands. So today we will learn the uses of oops and undo command. Alright, so undo and oops command in Autocad. Before moving ahead, I would like to request you to like my videos and subscribe it, because I used to upload such kind of educational and informative civil engineering related videos most often. And let me introduce you. I'm a civil site engineer, and most probably I will be bringing you and uploading site engineering related, which is practical work which I'm doing right now. We just started our works, so from the beginning I will be showing you all the practical work which we do at site. So in my channel you'll be getting lots of information regarding site engineering. Beside that, you will be getting some informations relating to civil engineers, like what I'm showing right now. So you may get some other extra civil engineering related information as well in my channel. And beside that, most importantly, some of the people needs jobs. So I used to make a video if there is any vacancies anywhere in the world. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned and enjoy the videos. Thank you. Let us start the use of those undo and oops command in Autocad. So before that, I would like to draw some of the basic geometrical shape in Autocad. Say circle. I have done this small circle, and next I will draw a rectangle. Next I will draw this equilateral triangle. Now say you nicely observe what I am doing. I will later tell you what's the difference. Now say suppose you want to delete this one, or by chance, by mistake, you have deleted this circle drawing in your Autocad, right? Or you want to delete the circle drawing here. Now for deleting that, you delete it just by pressing shortcut command E and then press enter. So it will be deleted. Now say if you want to bring back the command, so everyone knows that how to bring that back. Just by pressing Ctrl Z. That circle ring will come back again to its position, right? As you all know that. So let me press it Ctrl Z. So this circle again came back to its position, right? Now let me show you another example. The same drawing I will be drawing again. The circle here, rectangle here, and then equilateral triangle. Now again I delete this circle. Now I want to continue my drawing here, yes. Now see, let me draw one more shape here. Okay, let it be anything. Okay, so now I want to bring back this circle command again. Okay, I want this circle command again. Okay, here, but what shall you do? And besides that, you don't want to be get deleted. Okay, this drawing you don't want to be get deleted. Okay, so if you press Ctrl Z, what will happen? You observe here. See, your start drawing disappear. Your now right angle will also disappear if you press Ctrl Z, and if you press again Ctrl Z, then only your circles come to its position, right? This is what your undo commands do. Okay, so these two examples I have shown to explain you undo command. Okay, now again I'm drawing it. Okay, I'm doing the same drawing here. I'm doing the same command here. Circle, I have drawn it. Now rectangle, sorry, I will draw rectangle. Next let me draw again this small equilateral triangle. Next let me draw a right angle, say, yeah, like this. And again I'm drawing this star here. Okay, now you delete this circle now again. Okay, now you continue drawing some more drawings. You have drawn this shape of drawing here. Okay, now say you want to bring back this circle, whatever you have deleted just now. You want to bring back this circle without deleting this. You want to bring back without deleting this drawing, okay, which you have drawn just after deleting your circle command. Okay, so without deleting these two drawing, you want to bring back your circle. So if you, as you have seen just now, that if you press undo key by pressing Ctrl Z, what happen is that, okay, after deleting this circle, if you press undo command, whatever we have drawn after deleting circle, whatever we have drawn, if you press this Ctrl Z, it will delete this drawing as well. Okay, which we have drawn just after deleting circle. Okay, so whatever drawing we have drawn after deleting circle, okay, if you press Ctrl Z, then these two drawings which we have drawn after deleting circle, it will also be deleted. After that only your circle will come. But I don't want like that. Okay, I want to remain this drawing, these two drawings, here it is, without deleting the those two drawings. Okay, so what in that case you can do is that you have a new command, okay, which I have written at the top, that is oops command. Okay, so you use that one if you want to bring back your circle without deleting these two drawing. Okay, now let us see how it works. Type O P S, oops, and press enter. See, your circle is back without deleting these two drawings, right? See, in Control Z, in undo command, I mean, what happens is that it will delete this star and your trapezium like shape. Okay, these two drawings will get deleted if you undo it. But in oops command, without deleting these two drawings, you get back your circle as well. Okay, so this is basically the difference of these two commands, and then use of those two commands has been demonstrated here, and I hope you understood these demonstrations, and if not, then you can ask me in the comments below. Okay, so in today's cat video, and that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed my video. And if you have any doubts, then please do comment here, and please like the videos, and finally subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching.